Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Salwa Khairunnisa. So today I want to tell you about how to make combro. Combro is one traditional food in West Java. Combro derived from Sunda. So the origin of the name itself originated from the acronym combro, oncom di jero, which means like oncom di dalam in Indonesia. So shortened to combro. However, combro well known not only in West Java alone, right? For now, you know that also in other areas in Indonesia. Combro is snack that is often served with a variety of various fried. This food is perfect to eat with family or with friends, especially in Ramadan. Sometimes combro is eat when iftar, right? And okay, this foods contain oncom as its name and is made from cassava, mixed with spicy seasoning and then fried. So it was very enjoyable and seductive tongue. Spicy taste, make sure whoever takes combro cook. Not only tasty, combro also spicy taste, make sure whoever takes combro cook. Not only tasty, combro also rich in protein, vitamin, and carbohydrates. Well, for those of you who are curious to make it, let's make it. The ingredients to make spicy combro is cassava, coconut, salt and sugar, onions, oncom, and chili. The first one, fill the cassava, then wash them clean using running water. Grate cassava are cleaned. And next, grate the coconut to old. And then mix and knead. Next, add the onions and salt to taste. Then stir the batter until evenly distributed. In another bowl, blend the contents of combro materials such as red chili, onion, and garlic. After a smooth stir fry until fragrant smell, then mix with pepper, oncom, salt, sugar, and onion. Then salt until evenly mixed. Once cooked, remove and set aside. Meanwhile, to make combro, take cassava dough mixed with oil, wash as much as a handful of hand, and flatten it and add the contents combro materials earlier. Roll the dough up tightly close and the dough oval shape.
the last step, a fried dough that has been shaped oval earlier in the pan. After the color of combro change, be brown, then leave and grind. Then serve the combro. Yay, finally, combro ready to eat. Yummy.
Thank you for watching. Sorry for my mistake. See you next video. Dadah.